everyone at Circles of Wisdom. I'm Laura Wooster. I'm an intuitive medium, and I'm going to be there at Circles of Wisdom December 1st, Thursday evening at 7 p.m. for an evening of mediumship. And if you're coming Thursday evening, just a couple of quick tips. Actually, this is good for any time you're attending a mediumship demonstration to help you enjoy the connections that are being made during the event. So just come in with an open mind is the first thing I can say to you. Sometimes we come in with a really specific person that we definitely want to connect with, but you never know who will open the door from the other side for the people you definitely want to hear from. So be open to that. Be open to everybody you know who's crossed, because you never know who will open the door for those loved ones that you really want to hear from. Trust the process. The other thing too is enjoy other people receiving those connections as well. Because when you're enjoying the joy that others are receiving from their connections with their loved ones, that's the vibration you want to be in order to also receive that connection from spirit. There's just something about someone who's really enjoying someone else seeing someone else receive that connection. There's such a joyful energy around them that I really feel like that's like the openness that spirit loves to come through with. So keep that in mind when you're coming to these events. Yes, it's wonderful to get your own message, but that joy, that vibration, that beautiful, open, compassionate energy that you can have while witnessing other people receive the message and you feel happy for them, that's the kind of connection, that's the kind of energy that spirit loves to work with. So in any case, just come in with an open heart, open mind, and be open to whatever happens that evening and enjoy it and have a wonderful time with your connections with your loved ones in spirit. So hopefully I'll see you Thursday night, December 1st at 7 p.m. at Circles of Wisdom. Thanks everyone. See you then. Bye.